Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel, and today I have the Galaxy S20 Ultra, not the 5G. This is the LTE model right now because where I live there is no 5G connectivity. And interesting fact is that Samsung is charging the LTE model for the same price as that of 5G, and also the S20 and the S20 Plus come with 8 gigabytes of RAM instead of 12 for the regular LTE models. This is a weird thing that Samsung is doing with the customers. Anyways, this is how the box will look like. It is in cosmic gray color, and these are the free tripods that I got with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. You guys will be wondering that where are the Galaxy Buds Plus? Don't worry, the code is inside the box. I have to redeem the code on the store to get those Galaxy Buds Plus totally free of cost, and they will arrive after a week. So this is how the box will look like from the back, and this is from the sides and from the bottom. Now let's remove this plastic cover. So here is the cutter. Here you go. Here we have some usual paperwork. Let's keep it aside. Okay, let's keeping aside the tripod. The main thing is this Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, the main attraction of the show. Let's remove this seal. Here we go. Gently opening up the box. Oh my god, so here is the beauty lying inside the box, and just here we have, I think so, the protective case for the phone itself. I think so we have the clear protective case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Yes, we have this clear case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Looks very nice. Keeping aside. Oh my god, so this is how the phone will look like. You can see super clean and beautiful. It's a giant, by the way. Also, it has a bit of weight in hand. The cosmic gray color just looks phenomenal. Now, keeping aside the phone, let's see what's inside the box. Here we have this charger, which is, by the way, now 25-watt charger that will come with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. And here are the AKG headphones. They are the USB Type-C ones. No, this is the USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable that will charge your Galaxy S20 Ultra in under an hour. And these are the Samsung Galaxy these are the wide buds that will come inside the box, AKG branded. Very nice cable. Okay, putting everything aside, let's boot up the phone for the first time. Here you go. So you can see that S20 Ultra LTE is written here, which is a bit of bummer for a lot of people because they are paying the same price of $1,400 to get this phone, but they are getting this LTE model. Some people are saying that this is software locked, and some people are saying that there is something related to modem, that modem is not present inside the phone to handle that 5G. So it booted up quite fastly. Now I'll quickly go through the setup process. And guys, after setting up, this is how the phone will look like. You can see pretty much similar to what we see on previous Samsung devices. And the main star of the show is totally absent here, which is the 120 Hz of display. So just go into the settings here, select display, and then select motion smoothness. Now turn on the 120 Hz of display. Boom. So now we have this 120 Hz of super smoothness available on the Galaxy S20 series. I mean, you have to just see it in person in order to feel the difference. Just go to a local Samsung store, ask them to provide a review unit of the Galaxy S20, and just enable this 120 Hz of display. You will actually feel the difference and will appreciate how good this is. And by the way, the sensitivity of the display is also increased. Now it is much responsive to my touch. Feels totally very responsive, very responsive. Now guys, I hope you liked the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and also I'll be soon posting much content related to the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So make sure you are subscribed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.